Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally, we have here one of the latest smartwatch, okay, from Zordai. It is our first look in the OD series or the Outdoor Sports series. So this one simply called the Zordai OD2 Smartwatch, and still it is using the Zordai Support App. Okay, so it is a sports smartwatch with a GPS tracking. I don't know if this is built in or connected, and it also has a built-in compass and with a good waterproof rating, IP68. So this is a OD series or outdoor sports series smartwatch. And if you notice, the smartwatches from Zordai, it is a good quality smartwatches, and of course the support app is very good. Okay, it is one of the newest company when it comes to smartwatches with quality wearables. So we are going to unbox this one, the first unboxing of the Zordai OD2 Smartwatch or the Zordai Outdoor Sports series. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video unboxing review of the Zordai OD2 or the Zordai Outdoor Sport Smartwatch 2, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's remove the plastic cover here, and as you can see, it has a good quality packaging. Okay, I think they are getting better and better when it comes to, okay, providing, okay, quality wearables in the market. Okay, so let's remove this plastic. Okay, so we have the Zordai OD2. Okay, so let's unbox. So what are the contents of the Zordai OD2 smartwatch? So we have here, seems like we have a gold color. We have the wireless charging. We have an orange strap here. Orange strap. We have a small user manual. Okay, available in English, and I guess it is also available in Chinese language. And we have a smartwatch, a sporty looking smartwatch. And wow, what's this? It's full metal. Okay, so it is a full metal body here. Okay, I thought that the frame here is a plastic material and we have a metal bezel. Okay, but in our case here, okay, so let's remove this. Okay, it's a bit heavy here. I like the weight. It's full metal. Okay, so we have a metal back cover here with IP68 rating, and we have a bezel here. Okay, so we have north, south, east. Okay, and it is also full metal including the button here. Okay, it's a pretty cool looking smartwatch here, very fashionable smartwatch, and at the same time you can really feel the weight and the quality build build of the smartwatch. Okay, so let's weigh in. I guess this is more than 50 grams. Okay, so it is an outdoor smartwatch, outdoor sports smart. Okay, so let's weigh in. 00. Okay, as expected, we have more than 60 grams. Okay, and with the strap attached, so let's check. We have 104. Okay, so it's a bit heavy. Okay, so we have a double strap here. I'm sorry, we have a double strap. Okay, so if just one strap, we have 83. So we have additional strap here. Okay, I didn't notice at first. Okay, so it comes with a free strap, and it's around 83. Okay, so for the thickness here, so let's check. So it's around 12, okay, or 11, okay, if the sensor is not included. Okay, width we have around 46. Okay, it's a bit big. Okay, let's have some comparison here. Here's our Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, although it's not different, it's not the same in design, but you can really notice here, okay, the size difference here and the thickness. Okay, so we have here a 45mm, okay, ultra watch clone, and we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so it's a bit big. So let's attach the strap and let's see the actual look here. Okay, I'm impressed with the design here and the full metal body of the smartwatch. So I guess it is very durable, and based on the specs, I think it has a 1.68 rating for the waterproof rating. Let's check. So let's attach here. Oops. Okay, and I can still smell the rubber here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we have successfully attached the strap. So where's the, okay, so guess this is how you wear it. Okay, so we have here some screws, beautiful. Okay, so we'll check on the specs later on for the smartwatch. Okay, let me wear it so we can see the look of it on our wrist. Nice. Okay, let's remove the cover here. Wow, a nice looking smartwatch so far. Okay, premium looking, and I like the weight of it. Okay, it's a bit heavy, but I can feel the material here is durable. At the same time, seems like it is a very compact, okay, well built smartwatch, the Zordai OD2 Smartwatch. So if you want a somewhat a sporty and well built smartwatch, seems like this one should be in on your shopping list. Okay, again, let's check on the specs here. Okay, let's see if there's a battery and we can see the screen display. Then after that, we'll check the, okay, specs. I guess this is the ground button here. Okay, we still have power left. Okay, beautiful bezel here. Okay, and seems like it is borderless, as you can see. Okay, you need to move it like this so you can see the slim black border here on the side, but when you look at like this, seems like there's no border. Okay, gone back. Okay, for the specs we have here on our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, so for the screen display, let's see. So we have 1.5 inch, okay, IPS LCD screen with a 485 by 485 pixel resolution. That is very high, very good pixel resolution. So we have here some of its features, the health features. It is also included with ECG. Let's see. Here it says metal plus ABS case. But this is not an ABS. Maybe this one for the sensor. So this is full metal, I think. Okay. Let's check. More IP68 rating. But anyway, try to check your smartwatch. Okay, maybe I am mistaken, but so far seems like it's full metal body here. Okay, we'll check on again on its specs. Okay, later on. Okay, we also have, okay, there's no built-in GPS. Okay, so connected GPS. Okay, Bluetooth call. There's a support for Bluetooth call, as well as, okay, how many sports modes do we have? 159 sports modes. Okay, we'll check on that later on. But so far, so it looks beautiful here. It looks premium. Okay, I like the color also. Feels so rich with this one. Okay, we have a sporty strap with a quick release pin. Okay, so I guess this is really metal. Okay, I can really feel the weight of the smartwatch. It's a bit heavier. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding the unboxing, first look of the Zordai OD2 or the Outdoor Sports Series smartwatch. Okay, here in smartwatch specifications. Again, if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. And on our next video, we are going to show you the menus and features of the sports smartwatch, outdoor sports smartwatch from Zordai. Bye.